having gone to Mindelheim last year and having a look at some of the programs that the GROB engineers were running, I'm thinking, well, if we had those capabilities, that would set us apart from our local competition. It's a case of if you can do a higher quality part, you're not competing with everybody else on the lower quality parts.
So Paul, what is the G550 Access then?
So Lyndsey, the GROB G550 Access is a machine that's been designed and developed to be price competitive in a very aggressive 5-axis market.
So it's a full 5-axis simultaneous machine. So is it different to what we know?
No, it's built on exactly the same platform as every GROB machine. It's the horizontal spindle configuration, which allows you to have the largest workpiece with the longest tool. It's obviously a machine that's widely used out in the marketplace, and it's been a great seller for GROB.
And why did you think that this model was the right model for T2K?
Well, T2K came to us with a project that was then going to spill into a number of other components. This machine offers maximum flexibility to a job shop that never really knows what's coming in through the door. Obviously, it's a machine, it's a range of machines that can be automated very easily. So it basically ticked all the boxes for what they needed.
Gary, congratulations on your latest purchase. Tell me a little bit more about what T2K do.
T2K is our new brand name for the machining side of Tooling 2000. And we came up with that because of going to shows. People are often coming up to us, Tooling 2000, oh, I don't buy tools. So hence T2K. So it prompted the question as to what do you do? That allows you to lead on to, well, we've diversified into CNC manufacture now.
So why the GROB and why this model?
It's sort of a diversification into different sectors. We're looking at defence and aerospace, and the higher accuracy requirements, GROB ticks the boxes.
And you've gone for the PSSR as well. So why have you chosen automation? Because it's one thing going for a machine like this, but feeding it is another thing.
Well, it's to allow you to sweat the asset. So instead of having a 40 or 80-hour shift, you've got 167 hours in a week. Let's make the most of them.
So one of the advantages with the GROB machine is obviously we can heavily load the machines with tools. So you've got a lot of sister tool capacity. With the automation system there, they can fire the parts in and out of the machining area. But also with our unique tunnel concept and also our overhead machining, swarf becomes not such a great issue. So we can get the swarf out the machine, leaving you with uninterrupted production.
Will this help you in the future, and why? Because I think I know the answer, but why? What do you see it doing? Where are you going to go with this?
Well, we've got the extra machining capability, as I say, 24/7 machining, which allows you to produce a lot of parts quickly, and it's already started to fill up. So that's a bonus. It's been, this particular area has only been up and running for 3 or 4 months since we've had the machine put in, and it's that learning curve that we're going through at the moment. And with the support of all the GROB engineers, we're learning all the tricks and bits and pieces that, you know, some of the other machines that we've got don't do.
Yeah, you're enjoying it, aren't you?
We are.
And the team?
Yeah, they're loving it. They're arguing over who can go on it.
I love that. And also an interesting story was actually getting this machine into here, because you put the machine down, then you built the whole room around it, temperature controlled. But it wasn't easy, was it?
No, certainly not. We had about 20 or 30 mil clearance under the main girders because the mezzanine was already here. And I said, right, we want it as far away from the press that's on site as possible, because it's on a separate pad, so we don't get the vibration. So it's good stability for the machine. But it was a challenge, and fair play to the installers, they got it in. But we ended up having to lift the local section of the mezzanine just to get the automation in.
And it was quite a fast delivery, wasn't it?
Yeah, so this machine, the access range that's available, one of the benefits of the machine is we can offer a very quick delivery, because basically a lot of the options are standardized across the range.
Right, so what you're saying is with the standardization, you can have a more competitive price point.
Absolutely. You know, we're stood here today in the middle of Birmingham at T2K. It's a family-owned business that have took their first step into 5-axis machining. They've chosen to go with the GROB because it delivers for them.
I'm very happy with the machine and the support, you know, not just on the apps, but it's also helping us with, like today, helping us get our name out there to show off what we've invested in. It's a big investment for a small business. And I can see that once this one's full, we'll be looking to buy a bigger and better one.